Hey guys, so if you have the issue with the Prime Video not working on a projector, I was looking here on a Reddit on how you can fix it, and maybe it's going to help you too. So what you need to do is that try an HDMI splitter, that way it strips the HDCP request getting sent to the projector, because some streaming services protect their content from being pirated by not allowing you to record their movies. So what you have to do is that you need to get breaks down, yeah. And how to fix, you need to have like this kind of like splitter. You said HDMI splitter. And this is how it looks like. So you can find one of it on Amazon. It's pretty cheap. So try it out, and maybe the split is going to work, because someone even wrote here that didn't HDMI splitter work for you, and he just said yes. So this is something that you can try to do and just buy the splitter. I don't know, to be honest, which one, because they're recommending like this one here. So check it out, but maybe this is going to fix the issue for you. So have a great day and goodbye.